Yeah, I am not showing my face.
I'm not showing my face either.
I'll give it like 5 minutes for some. Give it 5 minutes for at least one person to join. Yeah. If not, then I'll just start it up. Where you guys at? Oh, it tastes the blood in my mouth.
Oh.
I don't have the gauges in, like the call.
Yeah, the call. Yeah.
So I want to be able to talk and divide.
I feel like we don't really need it now. I feel like only like right after.
Yeah, I just taste it.
Yeah. Wait, what? You're dead? Oh, okay.
Oh, probably money.
I'm sorry about nothing to do with that. I'm not happy. I'd rather put you in my basement. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. Huh? Are you here? Are you on?
It goes on and on, but this is full. It's probably walking.
Oh, he said he was going to buy it, but he did. Is anyone on yet? No one's on yet.
Yeah. Which guy?
I'll give it 1 more minute.
You need the whole road to your hand.
Oh my god.
I lost you.
We have some $10 for you.
Yeah, I don't think you did.
I don't think anyone's gonna join.
But you owe me and
I don't think anyone's gonna join, so I'm just gonna open.
Wait, maybe like I can go live on, I can join your live, and then even when my call goes, you can see your live.
Oh yeah. You could do that.
Yeah. I'll do that. Like so. Okay. Just gonna request to join your live.
Yeah, if you're seeing your brain, I'm going to give it to you.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh. It's open.
Wait, no, wait. Huh?
Yeah, I'll give it all to you and then what you have to do in your hand, I'll just tell you.
Send your request.
Are you in it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Everything's just check.
Okay. Thank you.
Is it the
I'm live.
EOSU 150?
Okay.
And just e-transfer him $50.
Okay. Yeah, and it's not a good idea. I'm responsible.
Never mind.
Yeah, never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah, that's.
I don't like that noise.
It would have worked if it was like further away. Yeah. Anyone joining? I'm opening it slowly.
Slowly open it fast.
There's a lot of tape on
I
it.
shit on it last night. Not to find either shit in it. No, really? Don't you smell it? I smell it.
See, that's where I opened it. You could feel there if you...
That's where I put the shit in.
I just opened it.
Oh, you just did, but I retaped it back. Bought some tape. Watch, you're gonna see a piece of toilet paper in there.
I'm probably gonna cut myself. Oh boy, I don't want to look at the head first.
Fine.
Because people saved that for the last. Okay, this is the head. I don't want to look at it yet.
Your eye.
I'm not looking at that yet.
Oh, see, there's my shit right there.
I'm live. You could get me banned.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, what is this? Look at that. What is... god.
Huh.
It's an owl.
Hot chicks are.
Oh,
Mom
wrong way.
wants chicks now. She's turning this way.
Can you not? I mean, it's not bad. Oh my god.
What is that?
Where do I press it? Is this a webcam?
He's a hot face.
Probably.
No. I know you can play it online. Oh, it's like. I felt her eyeball.
Oh, yeah. I see that.
What is this?
So, thank you to catch that check.
Okay.
The box
Yeah,
right
wait.
here
I'm on.
is interest.
Oh,
It's a furry keychain.
Oh, yeah.
I actually commissioned a badge from Jack's, so that's what I could use it for.
There's a blank so far.
Yeah, I like this. It's like a little owl. Why am I showing it live? No one's on here. She gave me pins! Oh my god, look at that. No one's on the live, but still. You want one?
Oh.
I have 3 of them. I put on Freya's ear or something. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's nice. There's nothing else in here. Okay.
Are you gonna keep this or?
No.
Oh.
I have 3 of them.
Okay, I'll have it.
It's just the tail. Oh my goodness, I dropped my coffee.
I'll put it on.
We also have to fill this. Okay, that's actually a good song.
Let me see that. Oh shit.
Look at that. I'm scared to open the door.
It's like right here.
I'm not gonna cry, 'cause I'm not emotional. Oh god, I saw her eyeball. I saw her
I
eyeball.
booped her.
One at a time.
Yeah. When no one joins your live stream.
Just smack.
Oh my god. Oh god. Hurry up. Oh my goodness. It's the first time touching a lavafox.
Wait, that.
Oh my god, she's soft.
That purpose is good.
Check with the ears.
Yes. Like I'm like found with TikTok.
I wonder if I can put it all out. I think I might have to take my mask.
What's kind of small.
Yeah, they're small.
Yeah.
Oh, she does. Oh god, that's creepy. That looks like the Pillsbury mascot for those bacon stuff.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh god. Oh, okay, she'll fit me.
Oh yes.
Hey,
Hi.
I'm a lavafox shooter now.
Yes sir. That's nice.
I just need to get a brush for her. Wait, I'll put the towel on. Okay, I'm surprised I did. Oh my goodness. Let me.
Oh my god.
I don't know if it'll fit me. Oh yeah. You like that?
Oh yes. That's pretty.
No, I don't think you can see it.
Huh?
I don't think you can see it.
Maybe I like pin a hair tuck on top of it.
Oh yeah. I need a brush. No, the ears don't wiggle, but that's okay.
Oh. Yeah, they wiggly. It's not bad quality actually.
Okay. Nice.
Pretty. I see your nose and the tongue. It's a click.
It's a, I got it on the touchscreen.